I wanted to ask you, I have a comment. I have never, from Zoom, my Zoom room to your Zoom room, I have never felt such a genuine, heartfelt desire and a real simplicity of directness of, I've been wanting this for years, it seems like, to kind of ask myself some questions, but without being self-effacing. And so I want to make a comment about how both of you work together. And, um, you know, it's just a very amazing process. And I am very grateful for it right at this point. Whether I paid for it or not, I would pay for it for sure.
Thank
Thank you, Susan. That's so
Thank you.
nice.
Thank
that
you.
is. You just made our whole week, our whole month, because that is exactly what our intention is. That's why we're here. Like, we just want to be here to serve and to help everybody, and to empower all of you.